In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to reset all of your network settings on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is to open the settings application, and then you want to scroll down slightly until you find general, and you want to click into that. You then want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find transfer or reset iPhone, and click into that. You then want to select reset, and in the pop-up menu you want to select reset network settings. You will then need to enter in your iPhone passcode, and once you've done this, it's going to give you a final prompt to reset network settings. When you select this option, it's going to go ahead and restart your iPhone in the process. When your iPhone has restarted, all of your network settings will be reset, such as Wi-Fi settings, hotspot settings, network settings, and VPN profile settings. If you wish to see more information about this, I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can learn more. Just bear in mind, you will also need to manually reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and enter in the password. And that's it. So if this guide was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.